going on YouTube? This is JRP-Works RC. Today we're going to be installing the new Pro-Line PowerStroke shocks in the Mini Kraton. So if you guys have a Mini Kraton, you know that you're probably in need of new shocks. The shocks that come with these, the E-clips are bad. They just fail. So if you bash it at all, if you put it through anything, you're going to need new shocks. So these shocks were completely blown out. I want to do a before and after so you guys can see kind of what they're like and what the new shocks are going to do for you. So if you like this video, please like it, please share it, please subscribe it, you know, all that stuff that helps out a new channel. And if you guys want to order these Pro-Line shocks, here are the part numbers. I am not affiliated in any way, but I'll also put these in the description so you guys know kind of what I grabbed. So stay tuned, you're going to see the before, the after, and all that good stuff. Alright, so I want to give you guys a really quick comparison on kind of what the shocks do as is. It is slapping from this high up. It's like a basketball. So no good all around. If I take the battery out and I do this, it'll actually hop. So really not good. And I have put this thing through the ringer, so I'm not surprised, but yeah, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna get this turned on. It's just really bouncy all around, not really planted in any way. So we'll do a couple little jumps and see if there's a difference after these shocks are installed. Yeah, I have a feeling we're not going to be able to land much, but we'll see what happens. We'll do it nice and slow. Yeah, it just wants to bounce. Be nice if I landed it flat, but alright, so there we go. There we go. See that bounce? Here, do a backflip. So in order to get it to kind of land with these shocks, you almost have to like give it a little throttle after it lands, which I know is not good for the dips. But that's just kind of a process. So we'll do a couple more, and then we're gonna go in and upgrade these shocks. And there's my neighbor, the dog. Good, how are you? What's that? Oh, I know. It just broke a part off. Should I try a front flip? Let's try a front flip. Almost. Walk of shame in my own yard. We are going to call it quits now. Alright, so here we go. We are going to get started. Let's get this battery out. So quick shout out to PowerB for the full-size servo mount. It's doing great. I might change a servo. I have a S665 in there from actually this Kraton over here. But yeah, let's get this going. Start off by just taking these shocks off. So, stock shocks, as you can see, They are really no good. There is no dampening here. This is 100% the spring. Let's get the upgrades in. So here's a comparison between the two for anyone who is interested. Pretty similar in size. The Pro-Line is a little bit thicker. And right off of the bat, I can tell that this has some dampening going on. See what we have in here for fluid. But they are filled. I don't know if I can tip that so you can see it, but they are filled. Not to the top, but I think it's good, and these are emulsion style, so we should be good there. So, here we go. Alright, so the fronts are in. Look at that. We have some dampening. That is beautiful. Oh, the front is on. Made a little change. We're gonna go electric. Tired of doing this by hand. But significantly larger on the Pro-Line. The Pro-Lines just look beefier altogether. They look good. To be honest, they look really good. Alright, so here we go with the new shocks installed. Check it out. Actual dampening is happening. Look at that. Oh, it just locks in. So slanted. All right, let's take her outside. We are going to see how this does. So I'm gonna do a quick drop test. You guys can look. It did slap, but I need to adjust the shocks. But right off of the bat, oh my gosh, this is so much better, so much more controlled. Oh, I can already tell that this is like a different animal now. Really enjoyable to drive again. All right, so we're gonna do a couple quick jumps before my camera dies. Oh yeah, look at that. Landed that nice. Do another. Oh, okay. All right. It's going good. Do a quick backflip. Okay. Oops, traction roll. Gonna do a couple more jumps really quick. Guess it is getting late. Oh! Put this back on. Yeah, just broke the fan, that's good. Alright guys, so here we have it. We have those Pro-Line PowerStroke shocks installed. Honestly, I took it around, it rips. It's kind of back the way it was when I first got it, but better actually. So I still want to play around with the different spring rates in here. I want to play around with the shock oil just to figure out what weight I want. I definitely want the heavier springs. I feel like these are not the heaviest springs that come on there. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. This is a growing channel. It helps me continue to make content. Let me know what you want to see. I have a bunch of other Arrma vehicles, and I'm happy to do whatever. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon.